Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to new video. In this video we are going to talk about HiFuture Zone 2 smartwatch. Let's see its unboxing first. The box is very beautiful and stylish. So inside box we get a warranty card, user manual and a charging cable, magnetic charging cable. Now let's take a look of a smartwatch. So this is HiFuture Zone 2 smartwatch. This smartwatch comes with 1.96-inch IPS display, wireless calling, IP68 waterproofing, up to 7 days battery life, up to 100 plus sports mode and health meter. Different features of HiFuture Zone 2 smartwatch: daily exercise, heart rate, music, voice assistant, call, sleep, message, weather, SOS, stress, alarm clock, game. Training, mood, stopwatch, timer, find phone, flashlight, remote camera, calculator, blood oxygen, settings, here we get different clock faces also. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to share it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel.